Hello.
Hi. Nice coffee shop.
Yes.
I come here every weekend.
Really? Yes.
I'd like a cappuccino, please.
Of course.
Thank you. Good choice.
You're welcome.
You can sit here.
Really?
Of course. Thank you.
My pleasure.
I'm Emma. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from? I'm from Chicago. I love reading.
Me too.
What's your favorite book?
I like adventure stories.
Me too. Today was fun.
I enjoyed it too.
Thank you for your company.
I hope we meet again.
Me too. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning.
Good morning, Emma.
Daniel, how are you today?
I'm doing well. That's nice.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
I love this park.
Me too.
It's so peaceful. I come here to relax. They're so cute. Yes! Look at the little duck. He's hungry. Here you go. He looks happy now.
Come under my umbrella.
Thank you.
Are you cold?
A little.
Don't worry.
I'm okay now. The sunset is beautiful. Just like you. Thank you. I always enjoy spending time with you.
I feel the same.
I'm happy to hear that.
Would you like to have dinner with me?
I'd love to.
How about Friday evening?
Friday is perfect.
Great, I'm excited.
Me too. I'm a little nervous.
I hope she likes the restaurant.
Everything will be fine.
Stay calm.
Today is special. This place is wonderful.
I'm glad you like it.
The food smells delicious. Let's enjoy our dinner.
Cheers.
Cheers. I want to travel the world.
That's my dream too.
Really? Yes. Maybe one day.
I believe so. Oops, are you okay?
Yes. That was funny.
I can be clumsy sometimes.
That's adorable. Tonight was amazing.
Thank you for inviting me.
I had a wonderful time. Me too.
Good night, Emma.
Good night, Daniel.
Tonight was amazing.
Thank you for inviting me.
I had a wonderful time.
Me too.
Good night, Emma.
Good night, Daniel. I made these sandwiches.
They're delicious.
Thank you.
You're a good cook.
I'm still learning.
You're doing great.
This is so much fun!
You're fast.
Not as fast as you.
Let's race.
You're gonna lose.
We'll see. I sent him a message. Maybe he's busy. Or maybe he's upset. I hope everything is okay. Why didn't you answer me?
My phone battery died.
Really?
Yes, I'm sorry.
I was worried.
I understand.
I'm truly sorry.
It's okay.
I never wanted to worry you.
I know.
Thank you for understanding.
Of course.
I really like you, Emma.
I like you too.
I'm happy to hear that.
So am I.
This makes me very happy.
Me too. Smile. This is our first selfie. We look happy. Because we are. Let's keep this picture forever. I agree. The ocean is beautiful.
I love the sound of the waves.
Me too. This day is perfect. I don't want it to end.
Neither do I. May I hold your hand?
Of course.
Your hand is warm.
Yours is too.
I feel happy.
So do I.
This is Daniel.
Nice to you.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet everyone. Emma talks about you a lot. Really? Maybe.
I love you, Emma.
I love you too.
You make me happy every day.
You make my life brighter.
Thank you for being here.
Always.
The stars are beautiful tonight.
Just like our future. I can't wait.
Neither can I.
Let's stay together forever.
I promise. Happy birthday, Emma.
Thank you so much.
This day is for you.
I'm so surprised.
I wanted to make you smile.
You always do. Breakfast is ready.
It smells amazing.
Would you like some pancakes?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. I love this peaceful place.
So do I.
Listen to the birds.
They sound wonderful.
I feel relaxed.
Me too.
We'll get through this together.
I know.
I'm always here for you.
And I'm here for you too.
Thank you. Always.
Will you marry me?
Yes, I will.
You make me the happiest man in the world.
I love you so much. I love you too. Forever.
We're getting married.
Congratulations!
Thank you all. We're so happy.
We can't wait for the wedding.
Neither can we. Everything is becoming real,
Our big day is almost here. Are you excited?
more than ever.
Me too. It's gonna be a wonderful day.
You look beautiful.
Thank you.
Today is the happiest day of my life.
Mine too.
I love you.
I love you too.
I promise to love you forever.
I promise to.
I will always respect you,
I will always support you
forever together.
forever.
This is the best day ever.
I'm so happy.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's celebrate together. Everyone, cheers.
This place is magical.
Every moment with you is magical.
I'm so grateful.
So am I.
I love our journey.
And it's only the beginning.
It all started with one hello.
And every day, I choose you again.
Thank you for this beautiful life.